Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly forecast on gold. Hope you're all doing well. So we're going into the second week of January 2025. Links are all in the video description. So just go over last week's forecast first. We were looking for bullish support from this area here. We had one here, but this one was used for that bullish move up to take this high. So that was a nice big bit of profit from that upwards movement. And then we was looking for a reversal from this grey area, which was the move on Friday. You can see we got that downwards move with the news. So that was profit taken on that drop before it started reversing. So that was a nice bit of profit. Overall, this was a very constructive week. Just a constant movement to the upside using those manipulation areas as bullish support, pushing price all the way up until Friday, where we had chance of a reversal. It started to reverse, but then kept price up, and that is because it's all waiting for this week. Now, this week we have CPI news on Wednesday, PPI news on Tuesday. Those will be the main events. And this week I am looking for a clear continuation down day. So, for example, if I was likely to open a position at market open, the probability of it being ending in a bearish move would be very likely. And that's kind of what I mean by a bearish week. So let's go on to this week and we can just look at the chart and explain why. Go to the daily time frame first. So this is what it looks like on a higher time frame. So what we're looking for is just a clear continuation down. Take all of this liquidity. This liquidity is still exposed, and this is the first area of bullish support I'd be looking for. This area here should have a grey area running along, so we can just pick one of these up and just drag it along there. So this is a grey area because this showed the liquidity grab here, retested this grey area, and you got a nice impulse move down. This is retracement price action, meaning it's slow and kind of Elliott wavy. You get in that slow upwards movement. It's not impulsive, so that's being seen as a retracement. It's come to that key area. Now we're looking for a clear continuation down to collect all of this liquidity and then target this one. So this is a higher time frame forecast too. Then we look at this price action here, and is there any liquidity we can clearly see? Well, we have trend liquidity there, which is the last extension that collected this liquidity from here. So that was our target for last week, and you can see how it extended to collect that liquidity. So this is now liquidity to target on the downside. We also have a clear doji candle there, which will be our first main target this week. So that will be my first main target at 2614. And there's not much else to go on. There's liquidity here, but it's not the clearest. So we go down to the 4 hour. We just look at that price action straight away. You can see a 4 hour doji candle there. Just another bit of liquidity that could be shown. You've got the news candle there. I don't need to label that up. So to make it nice and clear, there's liquidity here. This would be the small time frame target that I'd be looking for this week, which is roughly $20 down from the price at the moment. You can see it's a nice doji candle there too, so that will be the weekly target in my opinion. And that's how it looks on the 4 hour. Don't really need to go over much else. It's pretty simple. We're just looking for that downwards move. What I will do at the start of the week is focus on this price action and go over more detailed areas in that kind of price action. So we're looking at manipulation areas that will be used as a reversal. Now straight away I can make this smaller and focus all on that one there, because that is your breaker. If I just zoom out a bit and adjust this, you can see how price has hit that already. So this is why it could turn into just a clear continuation down week. from the market opening, because if we put the period separators on, we're on the 4-hour time frame. So here is last week's weekly open, and you just got a simple move down and then a clear continuation up. So this week you could get one more push up and then a clear continuation down. It's following the same sort of thing, and you got the same thing the week before: push down, big move up. So let's get rid of that. So this is your breaker. This will be the main area you would be looking for a reversal. If it goes higher, then you would want to focus more on this area here. They're quite close together, so I would have those labelled up, but I would focus more on the current price action and what is happening on the smaller time frame, because that is where you will see the reversal over here, and that is where you will see your setup for the sale to get into the move. And that's what I'll be looking to focus on with the VIP members, getting into that sale move at the start of the week so we can just hold it for the rest of the week. I don't need to go over anything else, keeping it nice and short. Clear continuation down week for gold this week. Main event, PPI news and CPI news on Tuesday and Wednesday. If you're trading like things like US 30, look out for earnings throughout the week, because they will be reported. That will add volume to the market, but I might even do a separate US 30 weekly forecast. Overall, let's just go to that. So this is your retracement, and all we're looking to do is continue selling with this downwards move to target the liquidity below. Message me if you've got any questions. Links are all in the video description. Take care, have a good day, and goodbye.